Advanced driver assistance systems. What if extra reassurance was easy to spot? Altima's available Nissan Intelligent Mobility features offer you a suite of advanced systems from blind spot warning to intelligent forward collision warning to automatic emergency braking that help monitor, respond, and protect. Rear cross traffic alert. When backing out of a parking space, this available feature can detect and warn you about vehicles you might not see behind you that are approaching from either side. Modern metal. The premium exterior design of the Nissan Altima, from the powerful lines to the available LED headlights, is a modern vision shaped in the wind tunnel, then achieved through innovative manufacturing processes. The result? A beautifully designed sedan that turns heads as much for its looks as it does for its craftsmanship. Slip through the air. Nissan Altima's aerodynamic exterior design is further enhanced by the available active grille shutters, 4-cylinder trims only, that automatically close at highway speeds to decrease wind resistance and boost efficiency. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Keep the peace. With available dual zone automatic temperature control, you and your front passenger can cool or heat your side of the cabin just the way you like it. Available large rear air vents ensure your rear passengers receive the same level of comfort.